Howdy guys, I'm Tommy. This episode is the power rule for exponents. This is probably the last step you need before you can really solve, the big exponent problems. Let's dive right in, shall we? So to raise an exponent to a power, we multiply the exponents. Well, that's the fancy way of saying, so if we have a raised to the m, we raise that to the n, that's going to be equal to a raised to the m times n. So basically saying that does nothing for anybody. So let's do some examples. So let's say we had x squared and we were going to cube that. Well, we just need to rewrite it as x raised to the 2 times 3, and now it's just simple multiplication. What's 2 times 3? There we go, just x to the 6. Alright, but not all your problems are going to be that easy, so let's make it a little bit harder. Let's say we've got 3x squared y to the 5th, and we'll just square it. Alright, so first thing, let's rewrite it. We're going to have 3 squared times x raised to the 2 times 2, right? 2 times 2, and then y to the, 2 times 5. Alright, so 3 squared, that's 9. X to the 2 times 2, well, 2 times 2 is 4. And then y to the 2 times 5, that's y to the 10. That's it for that one. Let's do one more quick example, and then that's it. Alright, for our last example, let's say I wanted to be a jerk and bring fractions into the mix. So we have a to the 3/2 over b squared. And we're going to do that raised to the 3/2. Gross. So let's rewrite this so it's not so intimidating. We'll have a to the 3/2 times 3/2 over b to the 2 over 1. Remember, a whole number is a fraction, just over 1, times 3/2. And now this is just a problem where we're just multiplying fractions. So what we're going to get is, if we get 3/2 times 3/2, well, 3 times 3 is 9, 2 times 2 is 4, and then we have 2 times 3 is 6, 1 times 2 is 2. Well, 9 over 4, that just stays like that, so we're going to get a to the 9 over 4. It's 6 divided by 2, that reduces to 3, right? So we'll get b cubed. That's it, guys. Don't forget, if you have any questions like where am I ever going to need this in my life, put it in the comment and I'll make a video that answers that question. Thanks for watching.